Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove main rotating brush on iRobot Roomba J7. To do this, first you'll need to flip your robot so you can see the bottom side. Then there's the button right there, click on it and then simply push out the lever. Inside you can find two brushes. To remove them, simply pull them out like this. Make sure to pull it to the left side like I just did, and the same with the second one. To reinsert it, the two brushes have a different shape at the end. Here's I think that's the pentagon, not sure the word for it, but it looks like this, and align it right here like the symbol shows. And then the other one is simple square, and we can put it in. First it needs to actually go in the slot. Oh, this one goes really hard. Let me try it first. Okay, now it's in. Let's grab the other one. And it's in. Now we just need to close this hatch right here, and we just replaced our brushes. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.